Okay, my printer broke and I have another window up on the computer so that I can read the transliteration piece. So I'm going to test that and see how it goes. It's loading. Expressive interpreting is first. The warm-up. Good afternoon, welcome to this orientation. My name is Adam Smith, and I'm the Director of HR. I'm really excited for you guys to join the team today. The company's name is Art for Everyone. It's small, but we are starting to hire new people. 1 minute for prep. I'm going to skip through this. Today we're going to discuss benefits, company expectations, culture, policies and procedures, and then finally we're going to set up our username and password. So let's begin. Here at Art for Anyone, we have a diverse amount of benefits. Next week we will pick our benefits, but for today, I want to give you a picture of what you can pick. You can either pick a PPO or an HMO from Green Health Insurance. There's 3 types of insurance coverages, and I will expand on each one in the orientation packet. You can add dental, but I just want to let you know that orthodontics are not covered. And as of yet, we have not included life insurance and disability insurance. Once you've worked for 60 days, you can start to earn vacation time. You will earn a total of 8 hours to use however you would like. You need to submit your vacation and your sick leave in advance. I do understand that emergencies happen and sometimes you can't submit in advance. Now let's discuss expectations here at Art for Everyone. Here we have a hybrid work schedule, which means we work partially from home or remote, although it is required that you attend at least 10 hours in person every week. You have to come to the office. If you would rather come to the office all 40 hours, that is to your discretion. Either in office or at home, we're going to use the same platform, Time Clocker. We will also use that platform for vacation and sick leave. If you happen to forget to clock in, reach out to your manager. Your manager's name is Barbara Clark. If you need any assistance clocking in or your password, you can also reach out to Miss Clark. This company is very inclusive with lots of diversity. We expect all employees to be respectful. If a problem does occur with a coworker, please come to me and have a chat. We're so excited that you're here, and if you have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. My email as well as my phone numbers are in the paperwork that I've handed out. Thank you for your time. Next will be expressive transliterating. Welcome to North Johnson Middle School. My name is Counselor Harris. Today we're going to talk about how the middle school students will register for classes next fall. If you're seated in the back, please move to the first couple of rows. There's a handout that explains the different kinds of options available. If you haven't gotten a handout, they're at the desk over there. Please grab one before you leave. I'm going to skip through. Middle school is an exciting time for your students. I'm really curious about their journey and to develop their skills mentally. Here's a list of different elective classes that will be offered this coming fall. Students are able to select either 2 elective classes for each semester or 1 study hall and 1 elective class. Students may not have 2 study hall classes or the same elective class twice in 1 semester. This fall, we will have school band, art, choir, Spanish 1, Spanish 2, French 1, physical education, as well as study hall. We're hoping to add beginning of drama class, and we will let you know if that is available weekly. Administration here are interviewing to place a teacher for that position. There will be a few restrictions for electives. First, students must pass the level 1 in the foreign language before they can advance to the second level. This means that Spanish 2 and French 2 will only be offered in the spring semester. Mandatory registration for physical education at least once in the fall semester or spring semester. School band requirements will require an audition. Please reach out to the band director, Mr. Steve, about what's going on prior to the class to see if you have any options. There's 2 registrations. There's the sign up for, you can fill out the form with the counselor. You will see them all around the room. Students are organized by their last name. And you will see the sign on the front of the counselor's desk. If you are not ready to register today, then you can set up an account online in the portal from home and register from home. I think it's being maintained right now, but it should be running by tomorrow. Regardless of how you register, I encourage you guys to sign up an online portal so that you can have access to the full schedule, to the grades, and to messages from the teachers. When you register, please indicate the first and second and third preferences for each class you would like to attend. We will try our best to honor the first preference. However, if classes fill up, we will schedule a meeting to talk about options, what your additional classes would look like and what would work for your student. I'm looking forward to an exciting year here at North Johnson Middle School. I hope that the students' experiences are enriching. receptive voicing. Oh. Now we're going to do the site translation. I'm going to skip forward to that part. This paper describes the science fair project. There's two options. One, you can do it independently and alone, or as a team. If you do it as a team, you can have up to 3 people. If you choose to do it as a team, your final grade will include the other people on the team. They will review your work and it'll be worth 50% of the grade. This project will replace the final test, and it will be worth 30% of the grade. %30 of your final semester grade, that is. It will be due April 30th, next week, when we have the science fair. If you turn it in late, I will deduct 50% of your grade. And that'll be 50% every day that it's late. So that will start to rack up over time. So do not delay, do not procrastinate. You should continue to work little by little all semester to get it completed. You need to type a 3-page essay explaining the hypothesis of the science project for your evaluation. The essay must include observation questions, how you conducted the experiment, how you collected data, the results of your project, the research that you did. Make sure you explain the difference between independent and dependent variables. Make sure you explain them clearly. It's important to remember safety at school, so make sure you don't have any hazardous materials. And make sure you follow the safety rules and guidelines. You can show your experiment in different ways. For example, a diagram, a graph. You could write a journal, do observations, make a short video. There's lots of different options. If you need help, be sure to reach out to Mr. Richards. If you need art supplies, you can reach out to Miss Smith, In previous years, people have used pipe cleaners to make a diagram of the solar system. All right.